guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mahbub, and I am today explaining you projection of line chapter which is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students of different branches. So this problem is of 15 to 10 marks for the different branches. So watch this video till the end. You will come to know how to draw this problem with easy concept by my concept and skills. So how to draft this, I am going to explain you. If you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press in my YouTube channel bell icon. Then only you will have the notification of other videos, and please watch this video till the end. Okay, this is my question. I am going to start now. Draw the projections of a straight line AB measuring 70 mm which parallel to VP and HP. One of the points of the line is 50 mm above HP, 40 mm in front of VP and 30 mm from the right profile plane. So before starting this question, I am giving you a practical concept how to draw this. So on a XY line, you will project the lines on a XY line. This is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane, and this will be the right profile plane or left profile plane as given in the question. So according to the question, you have to keep this right profile plane here on the right or on the left. So on a common XY line you have to draw. So as given in the question, you have to read the question and understand the question, and according to that we have to draw it. Okay, draw the projection of a straight line AB. Suppose your AB measuring 70 mm. Suppose that line AB is 70 mm measuring, consider this pencil as a line of 70 mm, this end A and this end B. Okay, then which parallel to VP and HP, means the line is parallel to VP also and HP also, means like this your pencil will have this pencil is parallel to VP and HP. So then after, one of the points of the line is 50 mm above HP, means this line is 50 mm above HP, HP is above 50 mm. Okay, you are having a distance of 50 mm from here from HP, and 40 mm in front of VP, means VP in front means having 40 mm. So from here you are having a distance of 40 mm. Here a pencil will have here, means that line AB is here. Okay, if you see this pencil from the front, you will have a line of 70 mm on VP. Okay, then after, if you see from the top, your 70 mm line you will have on the HP. Okay, now the same if you keep on the right, as even in the right profile plane, on the right profile plane, if you see this line from here you will have a point, it looks like a point which will be projected on the right profile plane. It looks like in right profile plane you will have a point here like this. After opening this you will have the point here. So how to draw this, I am going to show you, draft you. So please watch my videos till the end. Before starting this question, first you have to draw an XY line like this and label it as XY line, and this is one VP and HP, vertical plane, horizontal plane. Then after, according to the question, first you have to see which profile he has given you. Right profile plane means, if right profile plane is given in the question, you have to start your solution from the left. Okay, you have to start your solution from the left, from here. Okay, then you have to start the question. Draw the projection of a straight line AB measuring 70 mm. That 70 mm line AB which parallel to VP and HP. Okay, one of the points of the line is 50 mm above HP. You have to take 50 mm above like this, 50 mm, and you have to draw a parallel line like this, 70 mm line. As your line is measuring 70 mm, so label it as A dash and B dash. Okay, and we have shown you the distance 70, this is of 50 mm, you have to show the dimension also 50 mm, and this line measuring 70 mm. Draw the extension lines and dimensioning line like this, and this is of 70 mm. Show the 70 mm distance also. Then above HP, then one more line is there which is parallel to HP also. 40 mm in front of VP means, in front of VP means you have to draw on HP 40 mm distance. So from XY line you have to take 40 mm distance here, and you have to draw a line, parallel line, because as parallel line is also this 70 mm line is parallel to HP also. It is parallel to VP also and HP also. So drawing 70 mm line like this, and this point label is as A and then B. Then join these two ends of the line, okay, and you have to show this dimension also. It is 40 mm as you took, as said in the question. Then after, one more distance we have gave you 30 mm from the right profile plane, means from the right profile plane till this projector you are having a distance of 30 mm. So from here you have to take 30 mm distance, take a point and draw a right profile plane like this, okay, and this will be right profile plane x1 y1. You have to label it also. Then after drawing the right profile plane, you have to adjust your mini drafter, or you can take your protractor till 45 degree angle. You have to adjust your angle of 45 degree, and from the right profile plane you have to draw a 45 degree angle line like this. Then after, from this A and B you have to project the lines till this 45 degree angle and upwards. How? I am showing you. From A I am taking till this 45 degree angle and upwards. And also you have to take from B. Already I have done, so it is already done the projection lines of B also. And from this A dash and B dash also you have to take the projection lines from A dash and B dash, already done. Then after, this A and A dash where it is meeting, here you will have a point like this. Y means if you see this line from here, from the left, this A is visible, so you have to write it as A dash without bracket, okay. For the B, if you see this A dash, this line, you will see like a point, okay, that's why I have done a point here. So for the A dash it is visible, I have wrote without bracket, I have written as A dash. And if you see B, it is invisible from this left side. So this, for the invisibility B dash, you have to write in bracket B dash, okay. And your complete solution here. Then after, you have to show all the dimension as given in the question. I have shown 40 mm, 50 mm, 70 mm here, 40, 50, 70, one more 30 is there. So from here to here you are having a distance of 30 mm. Show this also 30. This is the complete solution of this problem. So guys, if you like my videos, please watch my videos till the end, and also subscribe my channel, share, like and subscribe, and watch my videos till the end. And also press in my YouTube channel bell icon, then you will have the notification of all videos of my videos. And please practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand my problems. And please share my videos. Thank you.